Hi, I'm Tom Rouse, and I'm a good friend of Tom Atchison's and proud to be part of this project. My main focus is the propellant and getting the rocket motors built. This is called a grain. They call it grains, and I'm not sure why, but we would call a segment, a part. And these motors are 5 grains, what they call. So that means there's 5 of these. And each grain, or each segment, is 1.7 times longer than the diameter. And that means that when it burns from the inside, it's burning this way also, so it cancels out at the same time. If they were twice as long, this would be burning from the inside and the pressure would go way up. If that's what you wanted in a motor, you could do that also, obviously, but that's why we have them 6 inches diameter and then the length. We just made this propellant today and poured it in here. It was the consistency, like Tom says, of cookie dough. It goes in there nice and thick and it settles down. You can see a little bit of glaze to the top, just like a concrete when it dries. A little bit of the binder comes up to the top. This is the coring rods, which we put in, and when the propellant dries, we pull it right out. They're wrapped with Mylar, which won't stick. So that way you don't have to machine the holes, which you call the cores in the grains, after they're dry, because the machining is another step, another dangerous thing to do, because you're getting all the fines and the dust. So what we don't want to do is we don't want to drill a hole in this after they're done. So we put these coring rods in. When it's dry, like I said, they come right out, and then the Mylar is left, and then you can peel the Mylar out of the insides. It leaves a shiny surface because the Mylar is real smooth. It'll be shiny as that, which is not good. So we take a wire brush, not wire, but it's a plastic brush, and rough up the inside so it gets the consistency of rough concrete, basically. So that if it's shiny like this, that means there's none of the ammonium perchlorate exposed to the flame, and that's what causes it to burn. All that shininess is the rubber inside the fuel, which doesn't burn very well. So what you want to do is rough it up to get all of the particles and all of the components exposed to the flame when it starts.